Hi, I'm Lori Ballen of loriballen.com. Today, I want to show you the new Google Search Console and how you will submit a new blog post or page to your website for 2019 SEO. Google has been changing the method for this over the years. Now, let's just say that you have a website that is not crawled frequently by Google. Well, what that's going to mean is you're not creating a lot of frequent content. And so Google's not crawling it all the time. It's saving its resources to scan websites that are publishing more content. You're going to need to go into Google Search Console and submit your new page or blog post for indexing, okay? If you want to wait for Google to crawl your website again, you certainly can. I recommend all new websites submit their URLs to Google until they know their website's being crawled frequently. All right? So it's quite simple. You're going to need to make sure you have Google Search Console installed. Go in there and set it up. This used to be called Google Webmaster Tools. They're going to give you a code that you're going to put on your website. Then it's going to do many things for you, and this is one of them. So today I made a blog. Here's my blog. Up here, grab your URL, copy, go over to URL Inspector, and paste your URL right there into the search bar. Hit return. Google's going to scan it and it's going to say, oh, this URL is not on Google. Okay, now that makes sense. If you're wondering later how fast your URLs are getting indexed, you can create a blog post and then check it the next day and see if it got indexed. Check it the next hour if you want, see if it got indexed. You're going to start noticing how often it's coming out and scanning. Okay, now it'll give you lots of details down here about the crawl. Googlebot smartphone, crawl, yes. Page fetch, yes. Okay. And then all we're going to do now is we want to request indexing. And now Google is crawling the website. It's going to grab that URL and it's going to index it. Now, here's what's important. Just because Google indexed your page, which means it added it to its massive database, that does not mean your page will rank anywhere visibly on the search engines. It's simply in the database. In order to rank on Google, Google still has to believe that your content is rank worthy, and then it has to test your web page for people that are performing certain queries and see how it performs. And that will determine where your page ranks on Google. There's going to be many other things such as your site authority, your other pages that rank. You know, if your website is already ranking well, there's a good chance that a new page you index is going to rank well. It's going to depend on the competition, you know, how niche focused your website is around that particular topic. Example, my blog post here today is on keto recipe ingredients. And so Google's going to look at this page and say, does this website specialize in keto recipes? Is this a ketogenic lifestyle website? If so, then anything I publish on keto has a much better chance of ranking. Where if I were to create a blog post today called how to pick excursions on your next cruise vacation, my website is not authoritative on that topic. So it's going to be much more challenging to rank. I teach a lot of top SEO tips for 2019 in my training course, which is called theballenmethod.com. I also own a marketing company called ballenbrands.com, where we build websites, create content, manage pay-per-click services, and build out your cultivation campaigns and conversion campaigns through text and email. And you can subscribe here to this YouTube channel and or the playlist on Facebook and be alerted when I make new training videos around digital marketing strategies and search engine optimization, how to rank on Google in 2019. I'm Lori Ballen. Thank you for joining me today.